though.
I didn't hear can't reach up there. I gotta
Yes, you
show.
can.
I gotta show sore shoulder.
If you can't say it, you can't. There, see, it went through.
Please, 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 please help me.
There's no help.
Yes, it is.
Good, Mommy.
Yes, ma'am, it did.
Good, Mommy. Good.
That's 2 points.
How many?
That one matches your nail polish.
Mommy, come on. Are you aiming?
I don't know. He's tricking me. I can't get way up there.
And you just did.
Look at there. Oh, heaven.
He's scared of you. He is not. That's 5. Yeah, he's not coming down the hill. He's scared of you.
Come on over here, baby.
Oh, he almost had the 10.
Lordy Jesus. Roll me over a little bit.
Heck no.
I couldn't get it like that.
Well, you just went through. That's what Brandon's job is, to make you work.
I gotta go home and cook.
Since when?
At the restaurant, Big Mama's.
I think you're telling the fib.
Bye.
You know what fizz means? I gotta raise them higher from further away.
Oh, you moving away from me. I don't get that.
You're getting all those 2s in a row.